And here we have the workspace presets, like you can save in your own name as well, like Harsh. I have saved this layout or this layout of this panel. Okay, so this is I have saved as a preset, but if you select this one like assembly, then you can see the interface is different, and for editing the interface is different, for colors the different interface is different. Okay, and for effects the interface is different. So all these are workspace. You can save and choose the workspace whatever you or whichever way you like. Okay, like for titles, and for if this is my presets or this is my workspace which I have created. So you can arrange them, like if you want to increase or decrease its size, or if you want to like resize it, if you click and drag, so you can choose as per your own liking, and then go to the windows and select workspace and come over here and select save as a new workspace, and you can rename it whatever, and that would be available over here. So if I go to the windows workspace, and over here I can see this untitled workspace is here. All right, so I can choose that one as well, and now as you can see over here it has appeared over here as untitled workspace. And this is our main timeline, so we'll be working on this. So we have all these options. All right, here we have all the tools for editing. We'll get to know once we are into the editing section. All right, and over here we have the project panel, so all the files which would be imported, that would be placed over here. And it is the media browser, so we can browse our PC and local disk, and we can select which file we want to be over here. We can import that directly from here as well. And here we have the libraries. If you are connected to the Creative Cloud, then that library would be available over here. And here we have the info, again this metadata of this clip. And here we have the markers options, markers, like if I want this point to be selected, then I can press M on my keyboard, and that marker would be available over here, as you can see over here. Here we have the history, so whatever we have done, that would be visible over here. All right, and if you click this option, you can choose, like you can go back to Premiere Pro. Okay, and this is the projects panel, and this is media browser panel, library panel, because sometimes it's not visible. Like if you have resize it something like this, and then all other options are not available, then you can select this pointed arrow, and you will be shown this drop down menu, and you can select whichever you want to have. Okay, so here we have the monitor of our audio. Okay, so it will show us the audio level, as if I play like this, and at the moment it does not have any audio. As you can see over here, this is a blank line and there is no audio, so it is not showing up the volume level over here. All right, so this was the basic interface. Let me just quickly walk you through once again. This is a source file. Okay, here we'll import any clip or footage over here. If I just double click it, I can import it, or I can press Ctrl I to import, and if I just double click it, I can preview it, and then I can click and drag it over here to create the sequence. Here we have the effect control to control the settings of any clip in the timeline, and here we have the effects presets. Here we can manage the audio clips. Here we have the metadata option. This is our main preview panel. Okay, this is our main preview panel. So whatever editing we'll do, we'll look at this. So that would be our final preview. All right, here we have the timeline. All right, so this is the basic interface of the Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you have understood each and everything. If not, then don't worry. If you'll watch the later lectures, then everything would be clear to you. So thank you so much. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.